workout is 2 grocery bags filled with lots of food. Let's get to work. We are going to start off with arm curls. So both hands to your side, we're just going to curl those arms. Make sure that you fill your bag with lots of food so that you have a challenge. It's like a dumbbell replacement. Keep them curling just like this. Make sure your elbows are stuck to your stomach. So they're not out like that. You're stuck to your stomach like this. The next move we're going to be doing is you're going to raise your grocery bag above your head, and you're going to bring it down just like that, working those triceps. All right, slow and steady. The best thing to do is stop mid here, not go all the way down. I find it more challenging when I stop mid-back. Okay, now you're going to get both of your grocery bags and do the same exercise.